Hey, what's up everyone? I want to give you a quick update on the market, what's happening here in Southern California, and there are so many things to cover. So let's get started. Hallelujah, the Feds have, a couple of weeks ago now, they decreased the rate by 0.5%, 50 basis points, which was what everyone in the market was looking for, and a huge sigh of relief for so many people. However, this does not mean that the mortgage rates went down by 0.5%. In fact, they didn't, because that 0.5% or that decrease by the Fed was already priced into the interest rates. So we will continue to see mortgage rates go down, but it's important, and I've covered this many times on many videos before, that what the rate doesn't necessarily translate the percentage points to mortgage rates. So the rates are coming down, and we've seen them come down, but the fact, why are we so happy if the rates haven't gone down when the Fed decreased their rate? It's because that's the direction that they're going to be moving towards now, and it signals that inflation has gone down significantly. Mortgage rates are tied to inflation, so we will continue to see that the mortgage rates will continue to drop. Okay, so that's with rates. The supply of homes is increasing. It's significantly higher than last year. We are hovering around 3,800 homes in Orange County, which is very good for buyers because it means they have more options, number one, less competition, number two. So they have more to choose from, and they're not necessarily having to make a decision in 2 hours after the showing, because they're going to be competing against 16 other buyers. Yes, there are scenarios like that, but that's not the normal. Okay, and if we see that in August last month, the number of sales that closed in Orange County that had a price reduction is 47% of homes closed under the list price. So this says a lot about the state of the market. I'm not saying it's a buyer's market, but it's definitely not as strong of a seller's market. It's a lot more balanced. There's some negotiation, there's some give and take, there's some, things to go over. And that also means for sellers, price is very important. And the way the property is presented is extremely important. You are competing with more people, and therefore it needs to be compelling for it to sell. And compelling means presentation and price. It's a combination. So that's where the supply is. Now, in terms of demand, we've actually seen demand decline. And that is partially, I think we've exhausted the number of people that are willing to pay 7%, 6.5% mortgages, or we're getting to that. And the other thing is it's seasonal. I mean, after summer, lots of the families have already settled in, and now it's, especially as we head into late October, November, and December, things slow down significantly. So that's part seasonal, and it's normal that we see this decline in demand. It happens every year, but it's also a bit more this year, I think, because of the rates. So it's good that we have the rates starting to decline. That will get more people in the market. The other big thing about the demand and just the overall state of the market is lots of people are just waiting to see what's happening or what's going to happen with the elections, which is going to happen next month. So we'll see how that, people are just waiting to see how is it going to go, which way is it going to go, and then is it going to really matter much on what they decide to do, buying or selling? I don't think so. I think it's more of a mentality. We just want to see, be reassured of what's happening, or worry more or whatever, but we're still going to do whatever we want to do. So I think beginning of next year is going to be a really busy time. There's a lot of pent-up demand. There's a lot of people that are willing to, pull the trigger either way, whether buying or selling. and there are so many factors from now until the end of the year that will make next year a very busy, start off very busy in 2025. So if you're buying, I think now's a great opportunity. You have a great buying opportunity between now and end of the year because of the rates, because of the increased supply, because of the lower demand, because you're able to negotiate, because there are so many things that make it a good time, and you're beating out so many other people that will be joining the market in 2025. If you're selling, still a good time to sell. However, you have to be very, very careful on how you price it and how you present your property if you don't want it to sit on the market for a long time and start having to chase the market down with price reductions. So strategy is extremely important, and that's where you need to consult with a professional that can help you with that. As always, if we can help you in any way, please reach out. We're more than happy to be your consultants, either if you're buying, selling, investing, and be part of that journey with you.